करें। धन्यवाद।
बुलाए तो
प्लीज आप बोले, मैं बोलने के लिए ही आमंत्रित कर रहा हूं आपका।
थैंक यू सर।
प्लीज।
Sir, thank you very much, sir. The Ministry Jal Shakti is responsible for the development and maintenance and efficient and water resources in the country, sir, and coordination of the drinking water and sanitation program in the rural areas. The main trust areas of this ministry is water resources, river development, and Ganga rejuvenation. The second one is drinking water and sanitation, sir. Only on drinking water, they have allotted only 60,000, 30 crores, 30.45 crores budget, sir, is this budget estimation. And water resources and river development, they are only put on 9,022.57 crores. Sir, the other schemes are there, that is Atal Bhujan Yojana, strengthening the institutional framework for the participatory ground level water management. There is other scheme, Pradhana Mantri Krishi Sanchaya Yojana, Har Khet Ko Pani, and Department of Drinking Water and Sanitation program also they are taking, sir. The particularly, I wish to bring it to this house that in the country, the 52% of unirrigated areas are there depends upon the rain water. What is the action program of the Ministry Jal Shakti on how many years they will take to complete give the water resources, irrigated water resources to all agriculture lands in the country, sir? There is no action orientation or program in this budget, sir. Even drinking water also, they have covered only 3.32. Another 30% they have covered. They are saying that by 2024 they are completing the total program, sir. In this regard, I wish to bring it to the kind notice of our Honorable Minister. जल शक्ति से तेलंगाना का बहुत रिश्ता है, सर. Telangana also working on particularly in water resources areas. The Telangana, it is geographically, a terrain of Telangana is such that major rivers like Godavari, Krishna flows deep below the ground level, and therefore irrigation is possible only with the multi-stage lift irrigation scheme, sir, which requires large capital investment as well as prioritization for operational and maintenance and power consumption. The lift irrigations are very crucial for improvement of the farmers' income and growth in the agriculture. Telangana government already has taken a Kaleshwaram project, which is lift the water for 611 meters height, sir. Successfully we completed within the 3 years. Number of times our officials from the irrigation ministry visited our place and appreciated that project construction. Ministers also appreciated, but we never get any finance from the government of India. Number of times they will appreciate us. If you take the rewards in the Jal Shakti mission or Gar Gar Ka Pani or water resources or Mission Kakatiya, how many appreciations Telangana got, government should tell, sir. But what is the money, financial assistance the government of India extended so far for the particular projects also, that is very questionable, sir. Wherever the state that is working on, particularly water, our Telangana, formation of Telangana only based on Neelu, Nidulu, Niyamakal. ఈ మూడు అంశాల based on these three issues only our Telangana movement we have started. Now we are completing the irrigation projects. We request the Honorable Minister, please provide some cushion to grant some amount to the Kaleshwaram project and Palamuru Rangareddy and other lift irrigation schemes, sir. Actually, in the world history, one of the best project within the 3 years it is completed from the foundation day. That is the Kaleshwaram project. I once again request the Honorable Minister to give some thought for the irrigation projects of the Telangana, sir. Sir, another project we have taken, that is Mission Kakatiya. Program is restoring the all the minor irrigation tanks and lakes in Telangana. The program helped in regenerating the 46,531 tanks and lakes, storing the 265 TMC water across the state for 5 years, sir. Sir, number of times we hear from that minister's table, always they will support the whatever the Niti Aayog
Please
says.
conclude now. Dr.
Conclude, sir.
Madhav. Please
Just
conclude.
2 points I will conclude. Always they will say, recently on the Niti Aayog annual meeting also, Honorable Prime Minister said that whatever the Niti Aayog recommends, that we will follow. But sir, Niti Aayog recommended 5,000 crores grant for this Mission Kakatiya, sir. As on today, it is recommended 3 years back. But as on today, we are now never getting any money from that one, sir. Another final, Har Ghar Ka Pani Mein, that is assistance, that Mission Bhagiratha we have started. Honorable Prime Minister is inaugurated that program 3 years back at Siddipeta district. So now we have completed. Government of India announced that 98.75% of the households of Telangana is given water tap connection, sir. Not only water tap, it is filtered water. So more than 70 filter beds are working. More than 700 staff, they are working for day and night for the giving the purified water to the public.
Please conclude now. Please conclude.
I just, sir,
I'm calling other speaker now. Please,
this one
your
also,
time is
sir.
already over.
Sir, this one also, Niti Aayog recommended 19,500 crores grant. They have recommended, sir. Even Har Ghar Ka Pani scheme, that is, they are to supposed to give some money.
Thank you,
Sir,
Dr. Bandha Prakash ji. Thank you.
Telangana, sir, just 1 minute.
Just not 1 minute. Please, last sentence.
Sir,
Last sentence.
they have to supposed to pay some money to Telangana also, this Mission Bhagiratha scheme. At least we request, for 5 years at least you pay maintenance grant.
Thank you. Thank
Sir,
you.
sir,
Thank you.
my